Hey fam bam, how's it going? So today we're gonna do false lashes. So first step is to curl the lashes with your favorite eyelash curler, especially if you have stick straight lashes like I do. And step two is to use some scissors, my favorite lashes, and some lash glue. Both of these are by Kiss and I love them. The Kiss No Filter My Lashes But Better has been my every single day eyelash. It's so comfortable. It looks like lash extensions. Obviously, I'm not paid. I just own like 10 of them and I go through them like crazy. As you can see, they are very delicate. So make sure to start at the middle and pull down slowly to not break them. They are very, very thin. So the next step would be to cut them to your eye shape. So I have large eyes, but I still feel like I need to cut them a little bit. I cut from the ends. That's what I think looks the best. And I cut about, I'd say, an inch off. And I do the same thing to the other eyelash as well. So if you have eyes like mine, you're gonna need to cut it. If you have bigger eyes, you might be good. At this point, I just apply the Kiss lash glue. My favorite is the one that turns invisible. And I just apply it directly to the lash band. Make sure to really focus on the ends, like the front end and the back end, because that's what tends to lift up first. So that's where I apply the most lash glue. And number 5 is set your timer to about 30 to 45 seconds. And that's going to make sure that the lashes are tacky. The worst thing you can do is apply your lashes right after you apply the lash glue. It's just going to ruin everything and just move all around. So you got to wait 30 to 45 seconds, whatever you got to do to not apply them. Put on lip liner, do your other makeup, whatever you got to do. So it's been about 30 seconds and this lash looks like it's good to go. And all you got to do is take a... there's actually special lash applicators. I have a few, but you know, sometimes you could just use like you could just use, you don't have to, you could use your fingers. I mean, it's really up to you. And as you can see, this one is a little bit too wet, so I had to wait a little bit longer. If you can still see the lash glue intensely, I would wait about 20 more seconds. And honestly, just put it on your eye and let it just dry on there and then start playing with it. Don't just start playing with it. Just put it on your eye, let it like stick to your eye, and then just start to maneuver it at that point. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down. Thank you guys, subscribe, love you guys, and yeah, bye fam.